Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're setting up T-Mobile Internet. Our easy-to-use setup guide and convenient app will have your internet up and running in no time, without the need for technicians. First up, let's download the T-Mobile Internet app. Just pull up the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone or tablet and search for T-Mobile Internet. Once it's downloaded, select Setup Device. The app is the perfect companion during your setup, providing step-by-step instructions with a video and a placement assistant. Now it's time to open up the box and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have Quick Start Guide and documentation, your new gateway, and last, we have the power cord. Now your gateway may look slightly different, and that's okay. We have a couple of similar models we use, but no worries, they all have the same great features. T-Mobile Internet comes with a SIM card pre-installed, so all you have to do is plug it in, for real. And here's the secret to making sure your Wi-Fi works well in every room. Look for a spot centrally located in your home, near a window and a power outlet. And if there's a location on the second floor, like where I am, or higher up on a bookshelf, that may be even better. Using the placement assistant in the app can help you scout this location out. Wherever you decide to place it, just make sure it's away from other wireless devices, microwaves, baby monitors, and even speakers to ensure good signal strength. Next, we're gonna plug in the power cord into the gateway's power port. Pro tip, the port you'll wanna use will be the one with this 3 dot-like symbol. So once you've found the power port, plug in the power adapter into the wall outlet and watch the gateway light up. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Once your gateway is powered on, it'll go through prompts teaching you how to use the LCD screen. Once complete, you can scroll through connection, devices, messages, and language right on the device. And the last thing you'll want to do is connect your gateway to the T-Mobile Internet app. When you go through the setup prompts on your app, you'll be asked to scan the QR code or manually enter the administrator password. Both can be found on your gateway's label. With the app, you'll be able to see your connection status, connection quality, and you'll have the freedom to customize your settings, including your Wi-Fi name and password. How cool is that? That brings us to pro tip number 2. Customizing your Wi-Fi name and password to what you used with your previous internet provider will save you time, so you don't have to connect each device one by one. Now, another great feature the app has is the Devices tab. Here you can see how long a device has been connected, which is helpful for managing screen time. The app also comes with a support tab packed with great how-tos and contact information just in case you need some help. There you have it, T-Mobile Internet. Easy to use and even easier to set up with our convenient app. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.